Aurivita Capsaicin Softgels are being promoted as a natural supplement that claims to boost energy, improve circulation, and enhance overall vitality. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds convincing. The product is typically sold as a cayenne pepper-based supplement, using capsaicin along with vitamins and plant extracts to supposedly increase blood flow and support energy levels. Featured product. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Capsaicin, the active compound in chili peppers, has been studied for its ability to slightly increase metabolism and improve circulation, which can contribute to mild energy effects. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that Aurivita's specific formula significantly boosts energy or delivers the dramatic benefits claimed. Most of the bold claims, like major circulation repair or fast results, come directly from the brand's own marketing pages. There are also some red flags in how it's sold. The product relies heavily on aggressive marketing tactics like limited stock, large discounts, and bold health claims, which are common in overhyped supplement brands. User expectations can also be misleading. While some people report feeling a slight warmth or mild boost, that's typically due to capsaicin's temporary stimulation effect, not a long-term energy increase. It's also important to understand that real energy improvements usually come from sleep, nutrition, and proven supplements like caffeine or B vitamins, not just circulation-based products. These show the difference. Capsaicin products are usually for circulation or metabolism, not strong, noticeable energy boosts. So, does Aurivita Capsaicin Softgels actually boost energy? It might provide a mild temporary effect, but it's not a proven or reliable energy supplement. The bottom line is that Aurivita is a real capsaicin-based supplement, but it's heavily overhyped with weak scientific backing for its bigger claims. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.